Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Create your free trial account. Head to the Final Fantasy XIV website and download the launcher. You can play up to level 60 with access to the entire base game and first expansion completely free. This is perfect for testing things out with your friends before committing any money. Step 2. Download and install the game client. Once you've registered your account, download the game client to your computer. The installation can take a bit of time depending on your internet speed, so grab a coffee and be patient. Make sure you have enough storage space available because this game takes up quite a bit of room. Step 3. Create your character and choose your server. When you launch the game, you'll create your character from scratch. This is where the fun starts because you customize everything from appearance to your starting class. Pick the same server as your friends or coordinate with them first so you can all play together seamlessly. Step 4. Join a free company or link shell. These are basically guilds and chat groups that help you connect with other players. Ask your friends if they're already in a company and request an invite. This makes grouping up for dungeons and activities way easier and gives you access to company perks and buffs. Step 5. Start running dungeons and raids together. Once you're leveled up a bit, queue for dungeons with your friends or join raid groups. The game has tons of content designed for groups, from casual 4-player dungeons to massive raid parties. Communicate through Discord or in-game chat, coordinate your strategies, and enjoy the adventure together.